First up, Meg Griffin and family with a new twist on a popular snack.
Hello, sharks. I'm here to...